Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to scan and remove any virus or malware on Android. So if you think your Android phone has a virus or malware, don't worry, here's how to scan any malware. And I'll tell you how you can remove it as well. So your first step is basically going to be use Google Play Protect. So if you just open up Google Play Store like this, hold on, just need to search up Google Play Store. Once you open it up, right by here you need to go ahead and tap Play Protect. So if you don't see it, just simply search up Play Protect and you'll see it somewhere around here. And right over here for my phone, if you just press on the icon, you'll see Play Protect. Just simply press on that, and then you need to press on Scan. Once you scan, it will scan all the harmful apps on your phone, and if it got any malware or virus on it, it will directly delete it. So the other step is just directly delete suspicious apps. So if you see any suspicious apps on your phone, just simply press and go to the settings, then apps. Okay, it might be different for different phones, but you just need to go to settings, and then you need to search up apps. Okay, and inside apps, okay, just go to apps, and right over here just simply press on apps, and you can find all the app and look for the apps you don't remember installing and just uninstall them immediately from right over here. You can just simply press on that and you'll see the option of uninstall. Now what you can do for third, you can just turn on safe mode. Just press and hold the power button and then tap and hold power off. Once you do that, until safe mode appears, and then this disables third-party apps so you can remove them malware easily. You can also install antivirus apps just like Avast mobile security. So if you just go to Play Store and you can just search up Avast mobile security, and right over here, as you can see, this one's right over here, and you can also download Bitdefender mobile security. These both are available on Play Store, and you can download them and search for threats. You can also clear your browsing data. You just need to go to settings and then apps, and if you use Google Chrome, just simply tap storage and clear your cache data. And finally, just simply update your phone. Just go to settings and then find software updates. Just go ahead and find settings and then search up software update. And once you're here, just check for updates, and here as you can see, mine is up to date and I don't need any update. But if it says download and install any update, just simply do that. It will save your phone. And if nothing's working, just simply go to settings and then reset your phone. Just open up settings again like this, and once you open it up, just search up reset and you'll see something reset phone option. Just simply press on that, and then you'll see the option of factory reset or erase all data. Just simply do that and it will delete everything. And that's pretty much it. If your Android phone should be safe and clean now. And yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you, and I'll see you soon in the next one.